Self-care routine for rebuilding life after incarceration can be challenging, but one thing that can make a huge difference is establishing a strong self-care routine. Self-care is more than just treating yourself, it's about deliberately caring for your mind, body, and soul. Start your day with purpose. Begin with a solid morning routine. How you start your day shapes the rest of it, so getting it right is essential. An ideal morning routine includes mindfulness, movement, and a nutritious meal. Start your day by practicing 5 to 10 minutes of mindfulness or meditation. Focus on your breathing, clear your thoughts, and set positive intentions. This helps center you and can reduce any stress or anxiety that might arise as you transition back into society. Next, get moving. Whether it's a quick stretch, some light yoga, or a walk around your neighborhood, moving your body is crucial for both physical and mental well-being. Lastly, don't skip breakfast. A healthy meal, packed with protein and fiber, will give you the energy you need to stay focused and productive throughout the day.